So we're going to start with example 1. So we've got 23.6 times 10. So these are fairly simple to work out. So if we write out the sum, 23.6 times 10, we're going to pay attention to two things. We're going to look at this. So we see in this second number, there's 1 0, and we're going to look at this decimal point. So we're going to move this decimal point one place to the right because there's 1 0 here. So that will give us a final answer of 236. And there's our decimal point, so we're just going to put some zeros after. So that's how we multiply by 10. So this is our second example now. We got 23.6 divided by 10. So this is going to be very similar to the previous example, except we're going to move the decimal point in the other direction. So if we write this out, 23.6 divided by 10 this time, we're going to count the number of zeros, so we've got 1 0 here, and then we're going to take this decimal point and we're going to move it one place to the left, because of the 1 0 here. So that will give us a final answer of 2.36. So our next example is going to be 34 times 100. So this is very similar to the previous examples. So 34 is of course the same as 34.000 forever. So this decimal point is the one that we're going to move. So if we type in 34.00 times 100, we're going to count the number of zeros, so 1, 2, and we're going to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the right. So this is going to give us a final answer of 3,400. So in our last example, we're going to do 34 divided by 100. So as we said in the previous example, 34 is the same as 34.000 forever. So we're just going to make use of this fact here. So 34.00 divided by 100. We're going to count the number of zeros, 1, 2, and we're going to take the decimal point and we're going to move it that many spaces to the left this time. So that will give us a final answer of 0.34. So that's going to be all for today, guys. Be sure to check the channel again for our next lesson.